Great day everyone! Heto na naman po tayo sa isa na naman pong serye ng dagdag kaalaman on how to make 4 picture para sa ating photo of the day.
So open your editor and then punta ka sa new project and then search for the first photo that you are going to enhance. Ganun pa rin, you have to go to quick ratio, then click the 9/16 para sa ating regular sizing. So there it is. And then same as usual lang, go to phone movement, search mo lang kung panay na gamit mo and this is it. After this, click the photo and then go to the right side. Pwede mo din siyang i-resize. Go to the right side and look for the mask. The mask is ang purpose nito is to take the dark thing out sa picture mo and then punta ka lang here, drag mo lang siya pataas and then pa-sideward and for the curve, click mo yung nasa left pala hindi sa right, left curve button. So that's it and then i-check mo lang yung mask tapos puwede mo siyang iurong dun sa medyo taas, 'yan. Click mo muna si mask, 'yan, and then puwede mo siyang iurong dun sa taas muna. Then after that, punta tayo sa background naman. So pili ka ng background. We need a background that is, a little bit different para naman maganda. You can choose the photo in the tools, in the editor's tool. Marami kang pagpipiliang picture doon. So we can use this one. And then after that, punta ka na sa overlay. Same process lang din 'pag nasa overlay ka na, hanapin mo yung second photo na iyong ilalagay. So let's choose it and then ganyan, same process lang lahat. Go to mask. Puwede mo din siyang paliitan, i-resize mo na maliit nang hindi ka mahirapang mag-mask sa kanya. Then go to mask and then resize it for the upper side, hilahin mo itong pataas and then for the sa gilid naman, hilahin mo yung sa gilid niya and for the curve, ito lang. So, do the same process with the rest of the photo. So, ganyan lang. Puwede mo siyang i-ano, pareho yung size pero probably later we'll change the sizes. We'll use the other ones. The other twos will be smaller and then the other twos will be bigger para naman hindi siya parang ano, common. So, 'yan, ganyan. Ayan, maliit na yung isa. And then we can resize it para naman magmukha siyang maganda. We can go to mask again if hindi ka satisfied, not satisfied with this. So we will going to fix the sizing there and then you can go to the mask again. Yun lang naman, i-click mo yung photo, go to the mask, resize it para maganda naman siyang tingnan. So that's it. So pag okay ka na, yeah, you can just click the zoom in and then i-print screen mo siya. Yan, meron ka ng magandang photo of the day. By the way, this is our achievement, not the achievement, well, kind of achievement, our earning for the day. So, hindi mo na mag-need na sasakit pa yung ulo mo kung ano na naman ipopost ko. Basic editing skills lang and you will be fine.
Gano'n lang kasimple and if you like it, yeah, you can share it para naman makatulong sa iba nating content creator lalo na po sa nagsisimula pa lang. So, bukas uli.